2022 Chevrolet Equinox. With less than 27,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll love this long list of impressive amenities, which include the following: lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, front bucket seats. Visit us to take home the car of your dreams.